Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Desires. This is Prerna and today I'm here with a new video, and this new video is all about Fab Bag EP. So yes guys, what I got today is Fab Bag. From so many days I was getting interested to own a fab bag for myself. So yes, today was the day that I received the fab bag from the fab bag team. So I'm here to share it with you. So yes, first of all, I want to show you the fab bag. I have already showed you, but again I want to show. Yes, ta-da! This is my fab bag. How's it look? It has the logo of Fab Bag, and it has that zipper kind of thing, and it has buttony things also, these two. So it will be pinned up like this, so you can also use it like a clutch or wherever you want. So yes, this is the Fab Bag, and let's get started with its review. First of all, I want to call it my first fab bag, that is FFB. Yes guys, it is the opposite of BFF, that is bloopers, BFF, FFB. Yes, so this is my FFB, first fab bag ever, and I loved it color, as I told you earlier that it is golden in color. So yes, great thumbs up for the color and the texture and all the packaging of the bag. So it is my first bag, July Fab bag, so thumbs up for its color and its packaging. So you can see from back side. So yes, let's get back to its review. Let's open it and jump into it. Yes, so okay, sorry. I want to show you, sorry, it's slipping. So yes, it includes all these things. First of all, I want to show you that it has this fab post. You can see the fab post written over here. It says actually this is the red carpet July Fab bag. The theme is the red carpet. As you can see, red carpet introducing Sugar and Ayurma. These two brands are including in it, and it has very nice things to include, like some celebrities over there waving off in the red carpet. You can see this in the fab post. And yes guys, it has one little cute kind of thing. It says, "Dear Prerna, red carpet. Dear Prerna, have fun." Yes, I will have fun with this bag. So let's get started with its product. So first product is this Vana. So you can see it's Italian luxury summer shimmer sunscreen lotion. Okay, it is a sunscreen lotion, so it has shimmer in it. So okay, I have not opened it yet, so I will be needing scissors to open it. So I can't open it right now because I don't have scissors here in this room. So yes, it is the sunscreen lotion in shimmer. Okay, I always wonder that why celebrities arms and neck and some legs portion are always shimmery and glowing like that. So these guys reveal the secret of that glowy and shimmery legs and all the skin. So yes, this is the first product. So second product, let me check what's the second product. Second product is this Sultry Ayurvedic Kajal. Actually, I'm little bit disappointed with the team of Fab Bag because in the revealing portion of the Fab Bag team, they said that they will be giving some sort of eyeliner, sugar eyeliner, but I just received this Sultry brand, which is also quite good, but I was expecting that sugar brand eyeliner, that is gel eyeliner. So I am little bit of disappointed with that. So it doesn't matter. Let's see what's inside this little cute packaging. This is how it opens, and it has this Sultry written over here, and it opens like this. Okay, so this is the bullet, and it is the kajal, kohl, black in color. I think Soultree has different types of colors like blue, green, pinkish, yellow. As you can see, it is mentioned over here, all the colors of Soultree Kajal, Ayurvedic Kajal it is. So yes, let me show you the swatch of it. Oh, jet black, yes. It is a jet black color. I like it. Okay, I will try it. I hope it is waterproof and it will not smudge. Let me check. It is smudging or not? Yes, it smudge a lot. Yes, it smudge a lot. But what to do? They have sent me this item too, so I have kept it. Okay, so this is thumbs down. First product was this, so this is thumbs up because it is a sunscreen lotion and I will be going in summer, so it will be sunny, so I will use this of course. And second product, where is gone this Soultree Kajal, thumbs down, not I like it much. Then third product is this. Yes, this is the very good product, Bella Pearl lipstick. As you can see, let's open it. Yes, the color is this. As it says, ruby lipstick. It is ruby lipstick. Bella Pearl brand. Let me show you its swatch also to you. Nice. It is very much nice and it is gliding on my skin very well, so it will be gliding on my lips very well also. It is soft. Yes, I can use it very well, and it is a nice nice product. Thumbs up for it. Nice product. And actually I like its packaging. It's like packaging is very beautiful and very gorgeous, these zigzag type of lines, and it is very lightweight also. So yes, a thumbs up for it also. And then we have these three products, and other fourth product is we have this tiny mini. Again I have this tiny mini. This is something Ayurma Spa. This is face wash, Ayurma Spa face wash. This is sample size, I think. This is not the full size they have given. Okay, so this is a face wash, and fifth thing is this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth thing is this. And this is also from Ayurma Spa. This is face scrub. Let me take the smell of it. I think as it says spa, its smell should be good. Yes, very divine. Oh my god, very divine smell. Just like if we go in a spa and take spa, so the smell is very much divine. So yes, these were the 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5 products, and one this bag. So I have these type of products in the bag, along with the Fab Post. I like the name of mine, Prerna, written over here. So I like this very much, and it has very things good, very good things to read. Okay, Aishwarya. Here, my favorite, actually my brother's favorite, so I also like her. So it has all the red carpet products like Bella Pearl lipstick, sugar. You can see this eyeliner. They're supposed to give me this eyeliner, but they have replaced this eyeliner with this kajal, Soultree Kajal. It is an Ayurvedic product, so I'm okay with that. I'm not arguing. I'm not going to argue with them. It's okay. So yes, these are the products which I have got in it, and it has some these lipstick shades. As you can see, as I'm over obsessed with lipsticks, I just love lipsticks. So I love to collect lipsticks a lot. So yes, you can see this is the Fab Post. This is the red carpet flyer for me. Yes, these was the product. These were the products. It mentioned the prices of these items. So first of all, I want to tell you that Bella Pearl mineral lipstick is full size, ruby color. This is 1500 bucks. This is of 1500, and the Soultree organic kajal is black. In black is 350 rupees, and this shimmer gold sunscreen lotion is 2400 for 115 ml, but this is 60 ml only. So yes, this is Spa Daily Scrub is 279 and this is for 379 total. So these, it is a good deal because I have paid only 1500 rupees and I have to get these items plus August subscription and September subscription also. I want to tell you guys, with the persons who do not know what is the Fab Bag is a monthly subscription which comes with this beautiful bag. I mean different types of bag in each month, different months, and it has it will consist of 4 or 5 products, 2 or 3 products in full sizes. As you can see, I have got these full sizes products and 2 of them are sample sizes. Okay, so this is done. Review of Fab Bag, July Fab Bag is done. Now come back to my giveaway of the channel. Yes, so for giveaway, I want to tell you that giveaway will be open for the whole August month. Yes, from 1st August to whole August it will be going on my channel. And for the rules, I am going to tell you the rules. There are certain rules for this giveaway. First, that is subscribe to my channel. Second is like my Facebook page, and third is comment below that which product do you like in these and what is your upcoming video request that you want me to do for you, and then share this video if you can. So yes, there are 3 or 4 rules for my giveaway. You have to do it for win this bag, and I want to assure you that one of my subscriber will win this bag. Shipping will be shipping will be won by me also. And yes, it was my giveaway video plus Fab Bag video. So yes guys, if you like my video, I'm so tired talking. Okay, so yes, thanks for watching my video. Hit like and please subscribe to my channel so that you can stand a chance to win this Fab Bag, this gorgeous Fab Bag. Don't you want to win? Yes, I know you want to win this. So yes, hit like, share my video and please subscribe to my channel. Bye, till then, stay beautiful.